Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 12th, 2022. We are going to talk about where in the world are the buyers for Polygon or MATIC. You guys can see right now in front of your screen that the price has been on the decline. Yeah, the price doesn't look so good in terms of those looking for the price to go up in MATIC. But you know what? You guys can already see from the chart that I expected the price in MATIC to go down, and it has completely fulfilled those ideas. Now, before I talk about where I think the market is going to go, where I think the buyers are at, y'all appreciate my videos, my content as always. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I will also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because when things change, I want to make sure that you are aware of the things that I'm seeing on the price chart. And if anything, if you all want to learn how to do this for yourself, then come on board, continue to watch my videos, continue to watch my content, because you begin to listen and see how the market really works. So now let's talk about MATIC real quick. Okay, you guys can see that on April the 15th was the last time I talked about MATIC, and I was telling you all that I was looking for the price to go down, and look at that. Just look at it. The market in MATIC has completely fell off a cliff, and I know I'm going to get some comments. Some people are going to say, well, every cryptocurrency is going down. I get it, but why didn't you predict that back in April the 15th? Like, where were these people who was looking for MATIC and other altcoins to continue to give us a 10x or 20x our money? They should have been telling you that the price was going to go down as well, but they didn't do it. You guys can see right there, 13.65% was created, was taken out the market on April the 29th. Now let's say we forgot to take out the money then on April the 29th, and we wanted to take out the profitability today, right now. You guys can see it. It's around 58.9% profitability from my last video. This is how you're going to profit from the market. You got to be ahead of everybody else. You got to be a predictor, a forecaster as to, okay, what is the probable move over the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, next couple of months that we can see this price go? Because if I'm looking for a price to go down, then I need to already be in position to expect that before the market even thinks that it's going to go there. This is the competitive advantage that we have whenever we come in and trade in the cryptocurrency space. Now that's done. That is over. You guys can already see that's a very good call. And now we need to talk, because this market is completely broken. All right. Anybody, any videos you see, any cryptocurrencies articles that you read about in terms of Polygon or MATIC, don't follow that information if it doesn't lend you to the truth, which is on the price chart. The price chart right now is telling you that this is a bearish market in MATIC. This is not a bullish market. Don't listen to anybody else that's going to tell you that this market is going to go up, because it's not. And I say that because of the trend. You guys can see that I've created this ascending line into the market in MATIC, and this trend started all the way back here in February of last year. It's a very good move. Like, the market was in a very sustained upward trend until we broke it right there last month in April. We broke the trend, so we should not be thinking that the market in MATIC is bullish. Not at all. Now the market is broken. Look at this. We've seen the price in MATIC from the high was created on December the 27th, 2021. We've seen the price come all the way down 80%. Value gone, 80% from highs. So we need to try to see, okay, where are the buyers? My intention, seeing that we're trading around 57 cents now in MATIC, it's going to be around this area. We need to try to see if the buyers are going to be located there, because they're nowhere above that. Because if the buyers were above this particular level that I've circled, then we would have seen the market already hold support. We would have seen the price stop falling, but we haven't seen that. So we got to move our attention to that circle that I've just created. Now, seeing that we have broken the trend as well in MATIC, we're not going to be bullish. We're not in a trend anymore into the market in MATIC. Well, we're not in an upward trend. We're definitely in a downtrend. Right? We're definitely entrenched in a downtrend into the market in MATIC. A very strong downtrend. Right? So this is the new market trend. That's it. You guys can see that the overall market is pretty much obeying this downtrend, because every time we come towards this descending line, market gets rejected. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't see price in MATIC go from 57 cents and it cannot go up to 80 cents or even $1. We can see that happen. That's 70% run up, but that's only when the buyers step in. We can see the price go up 70%. And then many people are going to be excited. Their emotions going to kick in. They're going to have that FOMO. They want to miss out on the move going up in MATIC, and then that's when the market will come back down. Like, this is how this game is meant to be played. It's meant to tug on your emotions. Let's look at MATIC on the 2-day. Okay. So this is MATIC right here on the 2-day time frame, 13 hours and 6 minutes left. You guys can see that we're still seeing some weakness. The volume is increasing as well. 3-day time frame, 13 hours, 5 minutes left as well. It's still a lot of weakness here. I'm expecting that the buyers are going to come into the market in MATIC initially, like right around here. Okay, you guys can see that we almost did it over the last 3 days. We've already seen the price in MATIC go all the way down to 50 cents. MATIC on the 5-day. If you're trying to be a buyer into the market in MATIC, this is not the chart that you want to see, because this is not bullish. This is MATIC on the weekly. And I'm going to maintain the bearishness into the market in MATIC until we see the market either break here to the upside or around this level, which is around 80 cents. Okay, we're going to maintain the bearishness. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to look for the price in MATIC to continue this downtrend. We're not seeing any changes come through. Now I'm already going to recognize, like, we may already be trading at bottom, and from out the gate, price may begin to trend higher. It may begin to tick higher outside of what I'm looking forward to now. But seeing that I don't come in and scalp the market, seeing that I don't come in and try to play this on a very quick buy and sell, expect that to happen. Right? But as long as price in MATIC stays below 80 cents, we understand that the overall market is still weak. Okay. Now, in terms of where the buyers are at, I'm looking for them to come in around 45 cents again. Okay. $45 is going to be my first price target. My second one's going to be around 40. The biggest area is no lower than 30 cents. Okay, so we got 45, 40 cents, and then 30. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on the chart. So we got 45 cents already, which gives us what, 20, almost 21%. Second area is going to be 40, and that gives us what, 30.5% movement to the downside to where the current price in MATIC is. Then no lower than 30 cents. Buyers really had to come in around 30 cents into the market in MATIC, and that takes us to around 50%. Like, we can still see this market in MATIC fall another 50%. Okay, so back over to the daily. Let's keep track of this on the daily time frame. And I want you all to see what my expectations are. Nothing has really changed in terms of seeing MATIC go up. Not right now. And even if we do, like I said, if the market in MATIC does not fall and break higher than 80 cents, we get rejected and it begins to come back down, then I already know that I'm still in position to allow the market to continue to fall, right? Let's say that the market does break 80 cents. Well, if I see the market come up here to $1 and I still see the market come down and fall, I still know I'm in position. But the problem with that, of seeing the price break 80 cents and go to $1, is that I'm into the market too soon, of us continuing to see this market go down. So if you expect to see buyers come into the market, you could keep the short on and you just play the buyer to the upside to 80 cents to $1, then you get out. but your short will still be on the chart because you still understand that the overall momentum hasn't changed from being in a massive bearish market to a bullish one. Okay, so this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in MATIC. I want you all to tell me what you think about Polygon. Do you think we're almost towards the end of finding the bottom? Where do you think the buyers are at in terms of price? Because if so, we want to make sure that we get there before them so that we can get out the way. All right, so let me know what you all think. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.